Hey friends, this is Atif Opierval and welcome to the new update on GLMR. On a weekly time frame chart, GLMR has already broken out a very long-term down channel. In fact, I've been showing you this channel when it was moving inside this channel at this support of 16.2 cents, and I've been telling you that soon we may expect a breakout from this channel, and after the breakout, this long-term downtrend can be finished, and you can see that after breakout we had a nice pump. So far from this low to here, you can see that it has rallied more than 355%, but could not break out this long-term resistance zone. That starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. Previously, it has been working as a support zone here, and after the breakdown, since after the month of August 2023, it is flipped into a very, very strong resistance zone. We got rejection here, we got rejection here, rejection here, in here, and this is the last rejection that was happened here in the month of March 2024, and now you can see that it is testing the previous another resistance that was Ichimoku bearish cloud, and now it is testing this level as a support, this Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. And in today's video we will analyze this move, but before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it, and for more trading signals you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of March 2024 in the video's description. You can also visit that report as well. Now let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for GLMR that I shared in the previous month of March 2024 with my members on 9th of March 2024. And this was a harmonic bullish reversal shark pattern that GLMR formed with Bitcoin pair on a 2-hour time frame chart. And this was a complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone. And this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price line started a very nice reversal from this buying range that was starting from 702 and goes to 680, and then we had a very powerful reversal, and this was almost or more than 47% pump only on this 2-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis, and I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let me take you to the live chart of GLMR. And this is the weekly time frame chart, and this was a down channel that I've been showing you even before the breakout as well. And finally, after the breakout, you can see we had a very powerful pump. The target for this breakout that I've been telling you was here at the top of the channel, approximately at between 58 to 60 cents, and you can see that the price line rallied beyond that target but could not break out this very huge resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents. You can see previously for several weeks, it has been working as a support zone, and since after the month of August 2020, it is flipped into a very strong resistance since we have broken it down. You can see we got rejection here, few more rejections here, few more rejections here, and 2 more rejections here. And recently, you can see despite this long spike in the price, and could not break it out, and we are once again rejected by this resistance and move down. And during this move, you can see, by the way, we have broken out a very huge resistance of Ichimoku bearish cloud. Previously, we got rejected by the upper bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud. This time, we broke out the upper band, but after this rejection, the price line has broken down the upper bands, and now it is testing the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud as a support. In fact, it is down from the lower bands of Ichimoku bearish cloud, and right now, it is moving between these two support and resistance levels. The resistance is here at 31.5 cents, and the support is here at 26.5 cents. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that for the past several days, it is trying to again break out this resistance of 31.5 cents, and previously it was working as a very strong support for several weeks and months, and now it is breaking as a resistance. Therefore, now we need to break out this resistance as well in order to continue this rally to the upside. And now if we take a look at the inverse head and shoulder pattern as well that I've been showing in my so many previous videos, you can see that this was a left shoulder, and this was a head, and I was expecting that this was the right shoulder, but again it is moved down, and until or unless it will be not move more down than this expected head of this head and shoulder pattern, this can be a possible inverse head and shoulder pattern move, and this time this shoulder can be in this way. And in case of breaking out this long-term resistance zone that starts from 55 cents and goes to 64 cents, it will also break out the neckline of this inverse head and shoulder pattern as well. You can see that this level is also working as a neckline. And in case of breaking out this level, this resistance zone, the target to the upside can be here. That will be approximately at $2.55. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.